Hi everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, we'll learn how to hide and unhide a sheet in Excel and also hide and unhide a workbook in Excel. So let's start. Now you can see I have 4 sample sheets here, right? So before we begin, let's understand a quick concept first. What is a sheet and what is a workbook? Now this entire window that you see, right? This entire Excel file is a Excel workbook. And each workbook can have multiple sheets. So here you can see there are 4 sheets that we have in this workbook. So this is one workbook and this is another workbook, right? So that's the structure. So there is a workbook and each workbook would have multiple sheets. Now let's first start with how to hide and unhide a sheet in Excel. So you can see I have some dummy sheets here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide sheet number 2 and sheet number 3. So what I'll do is I'll first select both. So right now sheet 2 is selected. I'm going to take my mouse pointer to sheet 3, hold control and left click. Now you can see Excel has selected both the sheets 2 and 3. Now I'm going to right click and from this option list I'm going to select hide. As soon as you do that, you can see sheet number 2 and 3 are now hidden. You can't access it from the sheet tab. So that's how you hide a sheet. Now to unhide, the steps are essentially the same. Right click on any sheet, click unhide, and now select which sheet you want to unhide. You can select one or you can select multiple sheets. So I'm just going to select multiple sheets. I'm going to use control, left click and select both the sheets, click OK, done. And that's how you unhide sheets in Excel. So there is one more quick way I want to show you how to hide sheet and then we'll move how to hide workbooks. Now one way was to right click and select the hide option. Another way is under the home tab, you will see format option. Now click on the format option, go to hide and unhide and from here select hide sheet. Now whatever is the active sheet that you had selected will be hidden. So sheet 2 is now hidden. Now to unhide, you can go back to the format option, go to hide and unhide and here select unhide sheet. Again, you will get a prompt to select which is the sheet you want to unhide. Just select that. In this case, we only have one sheet. Select OK and done. Now let's move to the next part to see how to hide a workbook in Excel. Now to hide a workbook, just go to the view tab and under the view tab, you will see a hide option. Now see what happens as soon as I hide it. So if I click the hide option, done. That workbook got hidden and we move to the next open workbook. Now to unhide it, just go to any other open workbook, click on view and go to this unhide option. As soon as I click it, it will give me a prompt asking me which workbook to unhide. Now in this case, we only have one workbook which is hidden. So I'll just select that, click OK and done. We are back to the old workbook. So that is how you hide and unhide a sheet as well as a workbook in Excel. Hope you really liked the video. Make sure to smash the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. In case you are interested to learn advanced Excel, do check out our Excel Pro course, which covers everything from basic functions to intermediate functions to advanced functions like pivot tables, counter formulas, vlookup, index and match macros, and much more. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.